are live at the Atrium promoting the launch of the calendar, His and Hers, for 2015.
Yes.
And with me is Steve. Steve is one of the models, and he actually is an auto mechanic, I believe, or auto repair?
I'm a vehicle glass technician.
Vehicle glass technician.
Yes, I install windshields in vehicles and chip repairs.
Oh, okay. So, like, if I have something wrong with my transmission, you can't help me. Oh, I was going to ask you about that, but no,
Nope.
that's okay. That's okay.
But if you have a broken window, you know.
Broken window. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll call you. Give me
Definitely.
your card. Well, listen. How did you get involved in the calendar?
I was an investigator, a provincial investigator with the SPCA.
Right. That's.
I'm a failed foster.
Me too.
I have 4 cats at home.
I do too. Yeah.
I guess it becomes part of the job when
Sure.
you're in one of the investigators. And well, when I was an investigator, I would come home from work and I'd walk in, and the 4 little guys would run up to me, and all I could say was, "You guys don't know how lucky you are."
Yeah. Exactly.
And
exactly.
you'd pick them up and cuddle them for a few minutes, and then they'd say, "Okay, well now it's time for supper." So
That's right. That's right. Well, listen, we can't thank you enough for volunteering your time. Really means a lot, and the kiddies of Halifax certainly appreciate it.
I'll do this anytime.
Awesome,
You know,
awesome.
to support the little ones out there, I'm always there.
Oh, that's incredible. Well, thank you so much. Thank you again, Steve.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a great evening.
You as well.
It was a great turnout.
It is, and this is Kitty McKenzie live from the Atrium signing off for TPTV. And always remember, fix your kitty for a happy city.
That's good.
Thank you.